Hi guys, Luke here from Luke Tech Reviews, and I'm back with another video for the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL. So in my last video I did an installation for the Spigen MagEasy glass screen protector. If you're not seeing that, go check it out if you need screen protector help. And for today I'm just following up with the official Google case for the 9 Pro XL. So I went for the porcelain phone, so I decided to get the matching porcelain case from Google. I've not had an official Google case since I had my Pixel 3 XL and had the woven case that they had back then, the fibre one. So it'd be interesting to see how good this one is in terms of quality and how it feels. So let's have a quick look around the packaging. So we got the Google logo there as normal, a picture of the case and what model it's for. I think the look of the packaging this year from Google has been on point. It's been really good. Past years have just been the same, pretty much white box, but I think this year, depending on what colour phone you get and what colour case you get, that's what colour the packaging is. So I've got the porcelain phone, and as you can see, the box is like a porcelain colour too. I think that's a really nice just attention to detail from Google. Really cool. Just a little side note. Put that one down, and as I turn over, there's just information on there. Hashtag Team Pixel. Nothing you need to know. So let's pop this one open. As you can see, we've got the porcelain colour. And if I hold it against there, it does match the Pixel 9 Pro XL. So the idea is it is like having no case on with your phone in terms of looks, because you've got the same colour, you've got the Google logo, which is really good because when you put a case on your phone, let's be honest, it does change how it feels and how it looks. And with the Google Pixel 9 series this year looking so nice and looking premium, it'd be a shame to cover them up with something where you can't see the design. So this almost lets you have the same look with a case on. So far I'm a fan. As we move around, so you can see we've got a cutout for the camera. We'll see how protective that is in a minute. And looks like we have, are they plastic buttons? I think they might be plastic, but they look metal, which is a nice touch. We'll see how clicker they are, and then all your cutouts around there. So on the inside you have this really soft microfiber lining, and then it just says Pixel just at the bottom there, and that feels really soft, so you know the back of your phone is going to be nice and protected, so you won't get any scratches on there. So let's pop the phone in and see what we're working with. There you go. So it's easy peasy to pop the phone in, no issues. And as you can see, first glance, I think that looks fantastic. As I mentioned, it gives you the same look you have with the phone with no case on, but with the case on. So I think it's really good, and I'm probably going to end up keeping this one on the phone as my daily case. There's one thing which may stop me, which I'll mention later. Let's have a look around the case. As I said, so the camera bar, hopefully the light picks it up. So you do have a small lip that goes around the camera, and it just protects the lens that's on there. So it should help with any drop protection and any scratches that you get. Obviously this bit here is exposed, so some of you might want a case where it goes in and around the lenses, so that you have protection around all the visor of the glass. I personally think this is fine. It gives you bump protection and covers the top of the lenses, which is all that you really need. And then moving around to the sides, as I said, we have those buttons and they look metal. If someone thinks they are metal, then let me know in the comments down below. As for how they feel, yeah, nice and responsive, clicky, no problems. They could maybe be raised a slight smidge higher, because they're almost a bit flat to the case. The clickability of them is fine. They just wish they're a bit sticking out a little bit more, just be a bit easier to push in and out, but no real complaints. Move around to the bottom, nice clean cutouts for your speaker grill and USB-C slot, and then the microphone. There's nothing on that side, and then again just another microphone cutout at the top there. The screen, how protective is it on the screen? So there's a very slight lip going around the edge of the screen, and it's just enough that if you lay it on the desk, you're not going to get scratches on your screen, because I can feel the resistance on there. And I do have that Spigen screen protector on, so it is raised and it's still enough to go above the screen protector which is on the phone, which is good. As for how it feels nice. It feels silky and smooth, but it doesn't feel slippery. I think over time this colour may not look the best in a few months time, because it's probably going to get stains, smudges, things like that because of the colour of it. If you go for one of the darker ones, you might be okay, but as for how it looks now on day one, I think it looks really nice and really premium. The one thing that's missing, and the reason I mentioned earlier, it's the one thing that could hold me back. If you're coming from an iPhone or an Apple device that has MagSafe, or you use MagSafe accessories already, this case is not a MagSafe case. So if you try and use a MagSafe accessory, no, the case doesn't come with MagSafe. A case that does come with MagSafe is the Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagSafe case, and I'll be reviewing that one next, so make sure you hit subscribe to the channel so don't miss that one. but for the official Google case, no, it does not have MagSafe. So it's not the end of the world. You can buy the MagSafe rings which you can stick on, but it will obviously change how this case looks. To me, that's a bit of a shame. If you're interested in this case, the price of it in the UK anyway is £35, and you can just order it straight from the Google store like I did. When I bought the Pixel 9 Pro XL, they gave me £35 back in store credit, so it actually cost nothing, so I didn't have to pay for it at all. So if you did the same, just check your store credit and you might have some credit to use against accessories in the store like this case. That's the official case. What do you guys think of it, and are you enjoying your Pixel 9 Pro XL? Hit subscribe and then comment down below to let me know if you're feeling it. Well, that's for today. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I'm Luke from Luke Tech Reviews. See you next time.